What's going on, guys? We got a mess here today. I gotta figure out how to get this radiator in. Old one's over here, upgrading from the stock one with all the plastic and crap on it. Going to a nice Koyorad. Alright, so apparently I needed like a bottle and a half because I just put that whole bottle in there and there's nothing left, and there's still nothing in the overflow. So we're gonna go get some more of that. Alright, bag secured. Another bottle. Put it down there for now. Sweet, let's get this thing rolling. Alright, coming up what I saw yesterday. Actually, oh yeah, I saw this yesterday. Make sure no one's coming. Jeez. Wow. I'm just trying to come back home and the road's flooded. Jeez, bud. Alright, we are back. We got the bag secured and I had to stop for a little treat on the way back. So yeah, that was a nightmare trying to drive through that freaking lake there and then like stop and go traffic. One lady actually cut like a huge line of traffic through the turn lane and cut me off, and I wailed on the horn. She flipped me off. I'm like, bro, what do you want me to do? Of course I'm gonna honk the horn if you're almost hitting my baby. Okay, so we got this little funnel fold to the top. Hopefully that reservoir fills a little bit more. If not, I'll have to top it off with what I have left. Man, that took that whole bottle down there, and this one, almost. Jeez. Well, as long as it works, I don't care. Smells lovely. So I guess I'm done with it for today. Don't really feel like dealing with it. So just got back. Picked up a thermostat housing for the Subi. So it's all the way down there, actually. That little thing, it's all crusty. It's currently August 19th, and these had come in, radiator hoses and clamps. Got a thermostat, and you saw a couple clips ago, I got the thermostat housing. So basically, I already took this clamp off. You see how warped freaking hoses are? I think that's what's causing it, or at least it's just not seating right. So I also have one of these, wherever they want, one of these little Scotch-Brite pads. I'll just get all the junk off, and I guess we'll see from there if that works. So everything seems to be normal, actually. It's driving mint. We'll I guess we'll take it back to the garage and put the splash shield on, and then I think Brandon said he was heading over, so I guess we'll see you then. Yay. So what are you working on, Brett? So basically trying to put this little undershield thing on, and these bolts are not wanting to cooperate. Rusty New England car. Yeah. But that's a really nice under tray you got there. Where'd you get that from? I got that one from TBW Performance. Link in the description if you got one of these things. Yeah, that's a nice under tray. It's got a nice little Subaru logo there. Protects your oil pan a bit more, but as you guys probably already know, I mean, I haven't seen it because I have just arrived not too long ago, but Brett is just finishing up this nice aluminum radiator install. He's got the new hoses. What else did you replace? So that's it for this. It's just the radiator and hoses. I was gonna do like the thermostat and the thermostat housing, but actually it was fine. I just had to clean it off a little bit to get the hoses to seal. And yeah, it's mint. So I'm just putting on the little undershield after test driving it. I test drove it before we got here, and it was mint. So very good. I'm sure we'll have clips of that test drive and more clips of him working on this that I didn't get to see. So basically, now that we have the Koyorad installed, they left us with a nice little sticker. So we're gonna put that on our mod sheet. I just got to clean off the glass a little bit because there's bird crap all over it. So, oh, yeah, it's on. Guess I haven't washed the cars in a while. We'll do a nice walk around to the WRX. Because I guess we haven't really, yeah, we haven't really introduced this car. Yeah, so I'm just going to get a nice back view while you clean that glass there. The short mod list. It will only grow from here. Exactly. So where'd you get the radiator from? So I bought it from importimageracing.com. Very nice. And it was on discount. Should really use something smoother than this. Smoother than your hand? And this, my finger. My finger, i.e. this. It looks nice there, though. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm glad you didn't move the BC one, actually. Yeah, same, actually. I think this looks way better. Yeah. I'll continue my walk around now that you've installed that sticker, though. Sure. Yeah, I'm always asking where you're getting these parts from, because I'm still getting used to these weird Japanese cars, you know. Yeah, right. I'm not used to these things. This is kind of more what I'm usually rocking. European. Yeah, European garbage. Junk. Dude. Alright, come check out this peel. The peel is probably a 9 out of 10. Okay. I already started it, but a nice... mint. Oh yeah. Fantastic. And a nice daytime shot of the Camry real quick as well. Yeah, somewhat daytime. Yeah, somewhat daytime shot. You know, it's still, it's kind of bright out, but like it's cloudy and garbage. But can't complain. Right, man, you want to go for a side quest? Yeah, I'm always down for a little side quest. Yeah, I always got weird side quests, so we'll get into that now. I drive this thing like a grandpa, so don't expect any super high RPMs or anything out of this car. This is my baby. It's a good car. And we'll cut to a clip of me hitting red blinker. We just went and visited a good friend of mine. He needed to borrow some tools because me and him are going on an adventure tomorrow, so needed to get prepared for that, and thought I'd bring old Breadman along for the ride. Oh yeah. So, back to your regularly scheduled programming. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe for more car content, and we will see you in the next video.